Good morning student. Today we will study the second lecture of alkyl halides, preparation and properties and reactions of alkyl halides. Today we will study properties and reactions of alkyl halides. Properties and reactions of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are reactive compounds. The reactivity of alkyl halide depend upon the nature of halogen atom and alkyl group. The order of reactivity of halide is first iodide is more reactive than bromide, is more reactive than chloride. The order of reactivity of alkyl group is tertiary is more reactive than secondary, is more reactive than primary, is more reactive than methyl. That means most reactive is tertiary and least reactive is methyl group. Here most reactive is iodide and least reactive is chloride. The high reactivity alkyl halide is the polarity of H bond X. Polarity of H bond X means the H bond X, this bond is polar. Polar bond means if the bond is having two charges, opposite charges, positive and negative charge on the same bond, then it is known as polar nature of the bond. The C-X bond is very polar bond due to large difference in the electronegativity and carbon and halogen atom. So due to the more electronegativity, halogen X is more electronegative than carbon. So X is having the electrons are withdrawn to a halogen atom X, and so X is getting negative charge and carbon is getting positive charge. So due to this reason, partial positive charge and halogens are having partially negative charge. Due to this positive charge, carbon is attached by electron rich group nucleophile, and the nucleophile replace halide group and nucleophilic substitution reaction is occurred. So you have see C-X in the presence of nucleophile. So X is more electronegative, it is getting removed and this nucleophile gets attached on this carbon. So you are getting C bond nucleophile plus X is removed. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Reaction of alkyl halide with aqueous sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide or silver hydroxide gives alcohol. Alkyl halide general reaction RX KOH, you are getting ROH, R and this OH and KX is removed here. Here ethyl bromide in the presence of KOH, you are getting ethyl alcohol and potassium bromide. Here ethyl bromide and silver hydroxide, you are getting ethyl alcohol and silver bromide. So these are the reactions, nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide with aqueous KOH. The reaction of alkyl halide with alcoholic potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide. What is formed? Alkyl nitriles, or it is also known as cyanides are formed. Alkyl halide when react with sodium or potassium cyanide, it produces alkyl cyanide. It is also known as nitrile. So alkyl halide in the presence of potassium KCN, potassium cyanide, you are getting RCN, and this K and X combines, you are getting KX. For example, if ethyl bromide and sodium cyanide are there, you are getting ethyl cyanide. It is also known as ethyl cyanide or ethyl nitrile, and sodium bromide is replaced here. So here this is the reaction of alkyl halide with alcoholic KOH. Reaction of alkyl halide with AgCN, silver cyanide. What formation of isonitride? Cn is cyanide, opposite Nc is isonitride. So Rx plus AgCN, you are getting RNC. If C triple bond N, then it is cyanide. If N triple bond C, this is isocyanide. So plus silver halide. For example, if you are getting ethyl bromide and silver cyanide, you are getting ethyl isocyanide plus silver bromide. This is the reaction of alkyl halide with AgCN. The reaction of alkyl halide with KNO2. This is potassium nitride. This is potassium nitride. What forms? Formation of ethyl nitride is formed. Rx plus KNO2, you are getting ethyl nitride. NO is nitride plus KX. NO2 is nitride. So here ethyl bromide with potassium nitride, you are getting ethyl nitride. C2H5 NO2 plus NaBr. Ethyl nitride is formed with KNO2. So K is replaced and here R is coming, then we are getting ethyl nitride. The reaction of alkyl halide with sodium alkoxide is known as Williamson's synthesis. When alkyl halides are treated with sodium alkoxide, symmetrical or unsymmetrical ethers are obtained. This synthesis is known as Williamson's ether synthesis. Rx plus sodium NaOR is alkoxide. OR group is alkoxide group. This is sodium alkoxide. We are getting R bond O bond R dash. This is mixed ether is formed plus NaX, sodium halide. So here ethyl bromide plus sodium ethoxide. C2H5, this is ethoxide plus sodium ethoxide, you are getting diethyl ether plus sodium bromide. So reaction of alkyl halide with sodium alkoxide, you are getting diethyl ether is formed. This is known as Williamson's ether synthesis. Thank you.